on the video. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Let me know in the comments what you guys thought about the new intro. It's just a little something that I put together. It's nothing permanent. It'll probably will change soon, but let me know what you guys think nonetheless. So anyways, the other day I made a video. I completely finished the video. It was on how to install a 06 to 07 wing on any other G35 without it. But the thing was, I accidentally deleted it. I ran out of storage and it somehow got deleted. So I'm sorry about that, you guys. But I will be showing you guys the wing today, and I will also be showing you guys how to install a diffuser. Alright, so let's get started. So this is how it looks with the wing, no diffuser. So let's get started with the process. First, what you gotta do is you have to remove the trunk liner. What I have to do is use a flathead screwdriver and pull the little pins out. After this, you have to drill your holes. It looks a little messy because of the previous owner. He chose to install a spoiler as well. After this, all you have to do is run the third brake light cable through the brake light in the back of the wing, and that should be it. Also, it comes with 3 amp tape that goes under the wing, and you just press it down as you screw it in. So here's the diffuser. It came with 3 amp tape, and it also came with the hardware needed to install it. Here's the diffuser. It has 4 fins. It's pretty subtle. I like it. I like it a lot, actually. So we decided to try to tape it, but it kept on falling out of us, so we just had me hold it while he drilled the holes. So there's 2 on the ends. There's 2 a little bit past the muffler, and there's 2 in the middle. The ones on the ends are screws, and the other 4 are bolts. So here's the ones in the middle. You just gotta drill a hole and then just bolt it in. It's nothing too hard. Here's it with the bolts. All you need to do now is just put the license plates back on, and you're good. So here's the finished look. I ended up painting the diffuser and the wing gloss black so it could match my grill. So here's how it came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Here's a little close-up on the wing, and here's the diffuser. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just ordered a new part for the G35, so you guys will have content coming soon. So stay tuned for that, and I hope to see you guys again next time. See you soon.